How to control your health, reset your lifestyle. Hi, I'm Amanda, the body coach. I've been a fitness professional for over 20 years, and I'm here to bring you some extreme facts and knowledge to ponder on to help you within your health and fitness journey. So let's get at it. So I'm not bringing you the holy grail of how to focus and hone in on your health with key lifestyle changes. I haven't had this massive epiphany that helps everyone with key lifestyle changes, but I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on how I level up my health along with my fitness with key lifestyle changes. So we all want to upgrade our life in some aspect, shape, or form to a better, more fulfilling one. But sometimes we get lost in the mix and we don't know where to start. So fixing some key lifestyle habits will help you level up your life and live the life ultimately the way you want to live it. I find in today's world, we normalize poor sleep, poor focus, poor motivation, poor energy, no drive, and we just accept the fact that that's the way we should live. But adopting really positive lifestyle changes and habits creates such a more fulfilling way to live and on your terms. How you wake up and go to bed every day, how you live your life every day determines your overall quality of life, how happy you're going to be, and just to create the best days of your life. Everyone has the ability, the capability, and the power to switch to a healthier, more fulfilling life. So with my personal experience, I've always been self-driven, fairly motivated. Being a fitness professional, I loved helping other people within their health, within their wellness, within their fitness, and also within lifestyle, because it's really important to factor in lifestyle really affects people's day-to-day grind, essentially. But there was many years I was just going through the motions. I had structure, but I didn't have purpose behind my daily routine and my structure. I would get up early, not start the day right, go and train 8+ back-to-back hours of clients in person, do content creation, do programming, and I never really capitalized on what I needed as an individual in order to level up, to succeed, to be happy, and to be a better fitness coach and just be a better person. It's so easy when someone says, oh, it's simple. You just have to make consistency and structure, be focused, create these habits and just do them. Simple, yes, but it's not always that simple. We have lifestyle factors that come into the mix within personal and professional lifestyle that we live on a daily basis. And I think we need to pull back a little bit and find out what works for you. It doesn't have to work for everyone else, as long as it works for you. As long as you have an end goal and you're setting structure, you're being consistent, you're following through, you're sticking to your word. In order to create the lifestyle you want, you need to change and tweak habits. So yes, I would get up early, but I would stay up super late. I would have no consistency or structure within my evening routine, no consistency or structure within my morning routine. I did have vices that I was turning to for that comfort zone area to make me feel better when I was off work or going out to social events, over drinking, and it would just leave me in a massive rut. So I dropped the vices. I focused on how I could level up as an individual and as a professional and really be an inspiring role model to my clients. So here's a few tips that I leveled up within my lifestyle and what I committed to 110%. My morning routine, the early morning wake up, and yes, it does vary from weekday to weekend. Sometimes I get up at 3:15 in the morning. Sometimes on the weekends I sleep in until 4:15, 5 a.m. But I still have structure within that early morning wake up. My movement to match my mindset every morning. Example, my burpees that I do every morning, it sets structure for my day. It allows me to awaken the mind, awaken the body, and get ready to give my expertise to my clients on a daily basis. So it sets my mind, my mood, it sets the tone for the day, and it's that body-mind connection. So besides my movement in those early morning wake-ups, I have structure in the morning. I do a gratitude journal every morning, and I have everything mapped out, what I need to do to set my day up right every day, non-negotiable. Next, I applied structure to my hydration and my nourishment, my nutrition. And why I leveled up within my hydration and my nutrition is, yes, I am a fitness professional, but sometimes we put so much focus and effort into what our clients are doing, and we're working long hours that we don't really put the time and the effort into our meal prep, into making sure that we are sticking to our habits to create the better lifestyle that we want to live. So to complement my specific goals and focus on a better quality of life, I honed in on those two aspects: nourishment, fuel for my body, and to stay hydrated. Next is movement, structured training, and it's so important to have a plan, whether it be a short-term plan or a long-term plan. Structured training is vital to match your desired goal to your specific end goal. And yes, I always have my daily movement. I always did some form of physical activity on a daily basis, but I wanted to capitalize on leveling up my physical activity to match and coincide with my lifestyle changes. So I started by doing my daily walks, getting 10,000 plus steps in a day, having that structured training phase that complements my lifestyle and my goals. I never really focused on this until I moved to a Caribbean island. Sunshine is such an energy booster, and it's really, really vital for my mood, and I'm sure it's vital for many people's moods on a daily basis. But if you don't get the opportunity to get out in the sunlight, fresh air is so important also. Fresh air daily, sunlight, it's a great boost for your immune system. It's great for your mood. It's great for the mind. It's great for the body. It's great for everything, head to toe. I've never been a big fan or have committed to some form of meditation, but my daily beach walks out in the neighborhood is my form of meditation. And I found that it really calmed me down at the end of the day, or it really helped my energy boost throughout mid-afternoon when I needed a little bit of fresh air and just to focus on something for myself. So a little bit of movement goes a long way, and that was my form of meditation. And last is, what are you doing for your evening wind down? What are you doing in the evening hours to shut down, wind down, get ready for sleep, which is extremely important. So have some form of structured evening routine. Shut your TV off, get rid of those devices an hour before bed. Try to find some kind of structure that you can shut the mind off, calm the body down, get ready for a great night's sleep. So these lifestyle changes really leveled up how I wanted to live and really catapulted just my quality of life, my well-being, my fitness, my health, my mind. Everything kind of coincides as one now, and it's a wonderful thing when you know how your body works, what it needs to perform at a high level, and it's wonderful. You can let go of habits, things, vices that serve no purpose or value within your daily life, and that's the first step. You need to focus on what's not serving you any purpose and is not pushing you to your optimal potential. What's holding you in a comfort zone. We have to push past that comfort zone in order to find the best version of you and how you can operate on a daily basis at a high level, a better overall quality of life. So the best fitness, health, and overall lifestyle advice I can give you as a fitness professional: put your focus and gear your focus towards finding new and improved habits that bring you an overall better quality of life, so that you can perform better in the gym, you can live a better quality of life on a daily basis, inside work, outside work, whatever you're striving to achieve, or just trying to live a better, happier life. Find habits that you can structure you're focused towards just to optimize a better quality of life. Essentially, changing habits for the better is you essentially finding the best version of yourself. And I find it's too easy to settle in a steady state and not pushing ourselves out of that comfort zone to live the way we want to live. Yes, it's so easy for someone to get on a video, tell you, do these steps for a better life, do this for an overall better fitness lifestyle, health lifestyle, love lifestyle, whatever your focus is that you're trying to change or achieve. Simple, yes, but it's not always easy. So be kind to yourself, be patient. Change requires change. Changing habits equals creating change in your life. I see this plastered all over social media all the time, but it's one of my favorite sayings. How you do anything is how you do everything. And yes, as cliche and corny as it sounds, there's so much truth behind that statement. I think about that on a daily basis. How I do anything is how I do everything. So if I don't make my bed in the morning, chances are I'm half-assing some of my other tasks or things that I'm striving to do on a daily basis. So I always like to set a standard for myself in the morning. I set a standard for myself throughout the day. I set a standard for myself at night to live a better quality of life. So I challenge you to focus on 3 habits within your lifestyle that you would like to change to level up and live a better quality of life.